Okay everyone, today we're going to do a room tour of room 7207 on the Carnival Horizon. That is coming up right after this. So this is the corner room. You go out that right there to go to the deck. And then the hallway goes this way and this way, and we are right in the corner.
No, you do not.
And when you come into the room, to the left are your closets.
He's just doing a small room tour. Oh yeah.
A couple shelves, safe, pull-out drawers. A couple nightstands next to the bed, light switch, small little cabinet, a little table.
Just turn stuff. Hi. How are you today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Well, thank you.
The window that goes out, looks out to the front of the ship.
No stress.
And then from the bed here,
No, it's fine. I
you
promise.
turn,
No stress.
your TV's over there, your little table. And then you have the bathroom. You have 3 shelves and a mirror there. 3 shelves there. You have a plug in here.
Oh, thank you.
Over here, you have the shower gel and shampoo. Shelf. You have the clothesline, which goes across for your clothes to hang. You have another shelf down below that has your fridge. And you have a couple of USBs. A couple of 120s. 3 shelves here. You have a little stool, a drawer.
So guys, I wanted to let y'all know, this is your keys. They are no longer just given to you when you check in. They are now at your door. So they leave it in a little piece of paper, it's sealed, you just rip it off and get your keys out. So I just want to let y'all all know that because a lot of people are confused at not getting their keys. See y'all later.